Proven advice for successful email marketing strategies. Email marketing is a great way to bring your business to your customers and to bring your customers to your business. This video can help you understand what email marketing can do for you and how to use it to your advantage. An excellent tip for email marketing is to follow up with some type of update on your products or services that you are providing. For example, you could add a Buy Now feature onto your email. The ending of your email could inform your readers to keep in mind the upsell as well. Insert a link to your subscription form into your marketing newsletters. That way, if your customers forward marketing emails to their friends can easily subscribe to your list too. Using this strategy makes it easy for you to build a large list of potential customers who have agreed to receive your marketing emails. Never send out an email that relies on images to convey critical information. Lots of email services, particularly web-based versions, do not necessarily enable viewing of such images. This may make your messages look unreadable and unattractive if you are too reliant upon images. Always put your most important information into clear text, and make sure that any images you do use have descriptive alt tags. You don't want to alienate a good customer just to keep your email base high. For this reason, you should always give readers an easy and obvious way to unsubscribe. To put a silver lining on unsubscribe requests, constantly ask readers why they want to unsubscribe and use that information to improve the experience for future readers. It has been proven time and time again that email marketing is a great way to bring your business to your customers who will bring your customers to your business. The information and tips in this video can advise you on how to create and launch the most effective email marketing campaign for your business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.